Today I went to Home Depot and bought a dust stopper and a bucket to go with my rigid vacuum cleaner. Not sure how it works, but I'll put it together and see how it works. This is how I clean my filter. Okay, this is the before. I'm gonna put the filter back on. Open the dust stopper right now. Let's see what's inside. This is what's inside. 2 tubes, 1 hose, and the cap. So again, nothing in the Home Depot bucket. These honeycomb stuff right here. I guess that's the engineering behind it. Take it. Put this on like that. Oh, I gotta look at the instruction manual. Or I accidentally ripped the instruction manual. Look at the Spanish one. Okay, I have it hooked up. So the vacuum to the top and the pickup hose on the side. Oh, here's all the dust that's inside. This is pretty good. I don't have anything in the vacuum cleaner. So the next step is to build a station, something like this. I have these 2-inch PVC pipes that I'm going to use from a prior project. I use my Japanese hand saw. And cut a little piece right here. The 2-inch doesn't fit, and this is the 2-inch PVC, and this is the coupling, and this is also the coupling. The difference between this one and this one is that this one's bigger. So when I put this in, it fits nice and not snug. Same thing. There's no difference between these two except this one's longer. Obviously, this one goes in here like this. When I put this here, I know it's not going to be, snug fit, because the diameter on this one is 2 1/4, and the PVC pipe, we know it's 2, so it's not going to fit. With the coupling, it's slightly bigger than 2 1/4. Let me see, how big is it? Say 2 5/8. You know what? I think the little one works better than the big one. Okay. The big one wiggles more. The little one wiggles less. So I'm going to use the little one. Okay, I cut 4 pieces of the PVC at 40 inches tall. So I have these small couplers. I'm going to connect them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just connected them. This is what it looks like when I put them on. Well, as you can see, it's a very loose fit. I'm gonna see that maybe once I put on the top, it will secure it. It will make it more tight and a better fit. Okay, I put the vacuum on top of a piece of plywood. Here I just have a 2 by actually a 1/2 inch from my lumber rack. I did a quick measurement. It's 24 inches, so I'm going to make this 24 by 24. I have this cut 24 by 24, so instead of I need to get an accurate measurement. So what I did is I popped these caster wheels off. All you have to do is put a screwdriver here and use a hammer, and it'll pop off by itself. So I'm just tracing the so as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners marked. So that's going to be the size of the supports. I have these dry fitted with the bucket in the middle. So I'm going to trace oops. The bucket. So I have the center, which is the bucket. I have the 4 PVC support, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna cut it right now. I'm using a jigsaw to cut this out. So I had it cut 11 1/4. inch diameter. It fits really good. So I have the hose drill right here, and I install this cap on. Let me show you what I did. Flip this around. So I'm going to put this bold right here that I have selected. Could be anything, just pick one that you like. Put it in here. And then put this cap on, a drill hole right here. So I put that cap on right. The cap is on. I'm going to put this nut on it so it's secure it. I have four of them. Okay, I have the caps on. Let's see how it fit. So ideally, it would go like this. I'm gonna put the bottoms on first. Okay, I have the four supports on, and it is now put my camera. So it works. This is what it looks like from underneath. Okay, I got everything hooked up correctly. So that's to the table saw. This is the setup. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's easy to make. And here you can use it as a tabletop to put whatever you want to be in here. It's not very stable, but it's okay. It's not meant to be stable. I didn't use any glues or anything. Everything is just snap-on. You open it up. You got these, I guess, kits to connect to whatever you have. I'm not going to use it yet. I just want to test it. So this is it. Switch. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this. This switch is basically connects to your tool, table saw, miter saw, or whatever saw you have, or whatever cutting mechanism that produces a lot of dust. You connect this to it, and it automatically turns it on whenever whenever your saw turns on, and then it automatically turns it off. The peripheral, in this case, would be your dust collector. 7 seconds later. Look it up. You might like it, because I was getting really tired of manually turning off the dust system. This is how you do it. You plug this into your regular system, and then you connect your tool and dust collector. So basically there are 3 plugs. The first one is A. You connect that to your machine. In this case would be a table saw. You plug A into your table saw, or you plug your table saw into A, and then B is your dust system. In this case it would be the vacuum. So grab the plug of your vacuum, plug that into B, just like that. And then the last one, which is the power supply, you simply plug that into your whatever outlet or extension, or simply your power supply, and just plug that in, and that is it. And make sure that your vacuum is turned on, so don't leave it off, turn it on, and then everything else should be automatic. Okay, let me put on my ear protection and eye protection. Okay, ear protection on. Well, it works. 7 seconds. Let me do it one more time. Turn it on.